Hi Anil, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. What about you?
But I can't see you again. There's your logo, Leagro Institute logo is there in front of my eyes. I can't see you again.
Okay, no problem. Now you can see me. It will take a time, and after you can see me.
Yes, now. Should we start
Yeah.
again? You
Okay,
cut the
okay. Now,
starting part. Okay.
okay.
Hi Anil,
Yeah. Hi. Good evening.
how are you?
Yes, I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing well.
Yeah. So today I'm really happy to see you here on my YouTube channel, and it's my
And me
pleasure to see
also.
you.
Yeah, me also. I'm also very happy to see you.
Yes. So, ma'am, I would like to ask something, and today I wanna make lovely conversation with you. So today I think we should talk about like any topic. So, do you want to talk about like any topic, or can we talk like random?
So we can talk anything random because preparing a topic is something else. So we haven't kept any topic. So I think we
Yes,
can
yes,
start talking something random.
yes. I have also not prepared about any topic, so
Yes.
we can talk like random conversation.
Yes, you can ask me any questions, and I even can ask you any questions.
Okay, so now I would like to ask one question. Okay, should smoking be banned? Should smoking be banned? If yes, then why?
Yes, of course, smoking must be banned because it should be banned because it is injurious to health and it is very harmful. And the person who is smoking, not only that person, the other person who is sitting next to him is also getting harmful effects of it. That's why I think it must be banned in India.
Okay, so what do you think it means? So each more affected on poor people or like on every people.
It's actually it should be banned for everyone, even the poor people, those who don't have more money. They also spend a lot of money on smoking because it becomes addiction and it's become habit of them. So leaving an addiction is really very difficult. Like alcohol, it is same like alcohol. So if a person who is a chain smoker, who's who is a chain smoker, he spends a lot of money on smoking, like a person who drinks. So I
Yes.
feel like it must be banned because it is having a very bad side effects on the body of a person, on their whole internal system, like their liver, kidneys, and their lungs, their heart, everywhere. There, it's having a very bad effect. So I feel like it must be banned. In my
Yeah.
opinion, it should be, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. But your opinion is 100% right because because I also think like this. Because this is young generation and many people and even I have seen many students. They also smoking. Yes. So they are
Okay.
addicted to smoking. Yes, they are addicted to smoking. So this is really bad habit in our life because we lost our healthy life.
Of
Yeah, but
course,
if
yeah.
yes, but if we all give up this habit, then we can keep and we can live healthy life and we can enjoy our healthy life. So this is really good. We should never try to smoke.
Yes. Do you have anyone in your family or near, like in neighborhood or in your relatives who smokes?
In my neighbor, in my relatives or in my not relatives, in my family, yes, in my family there is no one who is smoking.
Okay.
Yes,
There's no smoker in your family. It's really
yes.
good because in my family there are many smokers. Even my father-in-law, he smokes a lot. My father doesn't have any bad habit, and sometimes my husband also. Not he's not. I can't say like he is having addiction, but sometimes whenever he's out, like that time only, occasionally he smokes.
Occasionally, yes.
Yes.
Yes, but in my family, yeah, but in my family, no one is smoking because my father is a farmer, so he does not like to smoking, and he does not like to take like anything like also alcohol or smoking. Yes,
Yeah.
like chewing gutka. Yes, nothing.
Yes, yes. It's a really a bad habit, but if it becomes an addiction, if you are
Yeah.
doing it occasionally, like once or twice in a month, then it is okay. But if you are a chain smoker, in a day only, you are like smoking a packet, one or two packets of cigarettes, then it's really, really, really harmful for your body.
Yes. So, what do you think about social media? Do you think that we are too much dependent upon social media?
Yes, of course, everybody is dependent on social media nowadays, and it's actually a need of today because without social media, we can't do anything.
Yes, yes, you are
We
right.
all are depend on social media for even for listening news also. Previously, we used to use newspapers, and sometimes we can watch on TV, on radio. But nowadays, nobody is using all these platforms. They are only using the these things also comes under social media. But of course, now everyone is using their mobile only. They are having many apps to listen to the newspaper. So, like we depend on Facebook, YouTube, and all the things. We are very dependent on all the things for having news and other works also. So I think like yeah, social media is around us. We are just immersed in this social media. All the person they are immersed in the social media only.
Okay, so is social media is making us too far from our relatives?
Yes, of course. I feel like social media is making us far from our relatives because
Yes,
nowadays we don't prefer to call anybody. We just busy in watching Facebook, sometimes the YouTube videos. Previously, we used to go to our relatives and to visit them and spend time with our friends, and we were present there physically. But now we just don't visit any relatives. Just we say their. We just wish them on phone about their birthdays, about their anniversaries or anything. And previously we just used to go there and to wish them, but now we are too indulged in social media. Like we just do a video call and say hi, hello, and now due to this pandemic also it is not allowed. So from the last 2 years it becomes more and more into people's life. So I think
yes,
like yeah, everybody is become dependent on social media nowadays.
yeah. And nowadays people are really, really feeling like what is the real advantage of and what is the real importance of social media.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Previously,
because
previously only few people they were only using the social media, but I think now everyone nowadays everyone is on the social media.
yes, and it is also too much necessity, and now it is too much helpful for everyone.
Yes, yes, of course, because people they are earning also from the social media. They keep themselves busy in the social media for earning purposes also because nowadays many platforms are available. There you can do freelancing jobs and you can earn money. And yes, of course, I agree with you.
Yes, yes. Also, students are there also joining live classes. They are also
Yes,
joining their
online
classes.
classes and all. There are many things that we are doing through the social media only.
Yes. So this is really good. You know, when first time COVID-19 came to in India, and it was when first lockdown. So that time I also started to study on Zoom because
Okay.
that time I was not able to study offline. So that time I was studying online on Zoom, and that time I was only studying science subject on Zoom, and
Mm-hmm.
science and English. That time I was just studying
Okay.
science and English. Yeah. So that time I was realizing that social media is really important in our life because before that pandemic situation, because we are not realizing too much. Is now we are realizing because now we are thinking and we are understanding. It means what is the real advantage of social media? But now so that time I was attending my classes on Zoom, Yeah, so
But
somehow I,
but do you
yes,
feel like advantages? There are many disadvantages also. So
yes,
do you
yes, I
also
also,
feel?
yes,
Yeah.
I also feel there are many also disadvantage about social media. Yeah, but
Mhm.
I think it depends upon people.
People's, yeah, like what we
Yeah,
prefer to see on
so,
social media. If we are a person like who always want to play games, then it is a bad habit, because everyone is just indulged in games only. And if we are having some other habits to watch something else which is not good for us, then if we are
yeah,
in such a habit of watching on social media, then it's really dangerous. But if we are using it for educational purpose and for something good,
learning
that
something.
time it is
Yes,
good. Yeah.
yeah, because right now we are learning English. So by the help of social media, we can learn
We
English
are
and we
learning,
can
of
watch,
course.
yeah, we can watch many
And
types of English videos,
yes, and we are joining many meetings. It's very easy to
meetings.
join meetings in many
Yeah,
groups and all. Yeah.
and meeting is,
And
yeah,
yes,
yeah, go ahead, speak.
you just tell me, you were saying something.
No, no, now you can speak. Okay, speak.
Actually, I was asking, like, do you have any goals in your life?
Yeah, in my life, yes, definitely, goal is necessary because without goal, we are, what can I say? We are on directless because we have no any right path.
Yeah.
So I have, yeah, definitely, I have one target in my life, and that is my main target because in my life, I wanna be English literature.
Okay.
Yes, this is my long term goal. And if I talk about
Okay.
my short-term goal,
Mhm.
so in my life, I want to become a great YouTuber in my life. So this is my short-term goal.
Okay. Yeah, it's really wonderful that you are having two goals, one long-term goal and one short-term goals. And I hope you'll soon achieve these both goals. And yes, of course, I'm also agree with you, because if we are having a goal, then it gives us a direction, and it keeps
Yes,
us
yes.
motivated towards that goal. Because we get a lot of motivation because we are having a goal, we are setting that goal for ourselves. Then it keeps us.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can listen. Okay, we continue.
Okay.
No problem.
Yeah. So, do you feel that everyone should make goals in their life? And what
Yeah,
are the
yeah.
advantages of having setting goals? What all are the advantages of setting goals?
Yeah, so according to my opinion, everyone should have a goal in their life because if they have no goal, so they will be on directless. Okay, because they don't know on which path we have to go, and
Yes.
if yeah, and where is their right path. And yes, so if they have goal, then they can go on the right path and they will do work on the time and they will be serious about their goal because
Mhm.
yeah, suppose that if you go for a ticket, a railway station,
Okay.
okay, and if you ask for a ticket to TT, please give me a ticket. And if TT is asking to you, where do you want
Yes,
to
yes.
go? Where do you want to go? But if you are saying, you can, I wanna go anywhere, then TT will not give you, yeah, then TT
That is
will not
not
give you,
possible. Yeah.
yes, yes, then TT will
Yeah.
not give you any ticket, and you will be not able to go anywhere, yes. But
Yes,
if another person is going there and he is saying that please give me a ticket and I want to go New Delhi, okay, then he can get a ticket and he can go to New Delhi, okay, wherever he want to go. Yes, so he can go definitely. But if you have no any goal setting, where do you want to go? Where is your target? So how can you go? So always try to keep one target, one goal in our life, and definitely we can go and we can reach their target. But if you are
yes,
serious,
of course. If we keep
yes,
going, we'll definitely achieve that goal.
yeah,
Yeah,
definitely
I
we can
think
achieve. Yeah, but
it
if
gives
we
us
have
a
no any goal,
direction. Yeah,
yeah,
goal gives us directions.
yeah, definitely, yes. And goal always indicate us about our work because because if you are playing or if you are doing any work, okay, so whole day. Suppose that if you have whole day time, okay, but if you have goal, then you will not do that work whole day. You will be not busy in only one work whole day because you have one goal. So according to your goal, you will also try to do your work. Because
Yes,
in my
yes.
life, yeah, if I talk about my life, so in my life I have one goal in my life. I want to become English literature. So for becoming English literature, I have to do many types of work. Yes, so I will not waste my whole day in playing, in watching movie, with talking with my friends, in gossip, because I have one goal. So according to my goal, I do all types of work. So
Okay.
that time I try to set my that time I try to schedule my routine, and I always study according to my routine, and I have to focus on my English. So goal is definitely necessary in our life.
Yes, yes. Goal is necessary in everyone's life, of course. I
Yes,
agree.
yes.
So,
Once time I was watching one video.